Imagine stepping into your garden and finding it thriving, all managed by technology. Smart garden devices are revolutionizing the way we nurture our green spaces. Books like Smart Gardening, How to Use Technology to Improve Your Garden, dive into how apps and gadgets can turn anyone into a green thumb expert. It's about making gardening easier and more efficient. Then there's the Smart Gardening Handbook, which serves as a comprehensive guide. It covers everything from soil sensors that monitor moisture and nutrients to automated systems that ensure your plants are watered just right. Podcasts are another great way to absorb this knowledge. The Smart Gardening Podcast features expert interviews and product reviews that help listeners choose the right devices for their needs. For visual learners, YouTube videos like Smart Garden Devices, How to Use Technology to Improve Your Garden showcase these tools in action. They provide a clear view of how technology can be seamlessly integrated into gardening. Interested in turning this passion into a business? The course Smart Gardening Business on Skillshare outlines key steps from market research to marketing, focusing on the smart gardening niche. Resources like the Smart Gardening Association website offer a community and professional network that supports both amateur and professional gardeners in exploring advanced gardening technologies. Finally, staying updated with the latest in gardening technology is crucial. Gardening Technology magazine and websites like Smart Garden Devices Review keep enthusiasts informed about new gadgets and how they perform in real-world gardens.